Hi, I'm Jonathan Yehesko, and I'm the COO for Wash Equity Advisors. I've been in the real estate industry for over 16 years with a specialization in commercial brokerage. Over 8 years ago, I began working for a private equity group as their director of acquisition with a focus on the car wash industry. Realizing there was a need to offer our clients and investors a real estate and development offering specifically designed for car washing, I, along with 2 industry veterans, founded Wash Equity Advisors. Wash Equity Advisors partners with Sonny's to offer comprehensive services for car wash investors looking to find land and develop a car wash in their preferred markets. In addition to helping our car wash investors locate suitable land, Wash Equity also offers design, entitlement, permit, and construction management services to streamline the development process and help investors achieve profitability more quickly. By providing these services, Wash Equity Advisors can help investors save time and resources while ensuring that their project meet all necessary regulatory standards. Now let's dive into the process and factors that contribute to a project's success. Our real estate program is divided into 3 distinct processes. First, our team connects with our national real estate partner and identifies a broker that is knowledgeable of the given market. Second, we use our proprietary mapping and analytics software to identify trade areas suitable for a car wash. Third, based on our research, the brokers find and submit sites for the Wash Equities team to evaluate. Sites that are viable are then submitted to the Sonny's consulting team for a more detailed look from a car wash perspective, assessing factors such as traffic patterns, potential customer demographics, and competition in the area. Once a site is identified, we coordinate the letter of intent and purchase and sale to ensure contract terms will allow for thorough due diligence process. The agreement is then executed and the due diligence process commences. Once the due diligence process is complete and any issues have been resolved, the team will begin to hand off the project to the management team. The real estate team will stay involved through the due diligence process and will help coordinate extensions, contract modifications, and closing. Commercial real estate transactions typically involve a longer and more complex process than residential real estate, which is due to several factors such as contract creation, contract execution, due diligence, financing, appraisal, and closing. Residential transactions usually take 30 days on average to close, while commercial can take anywhere from 75 days to 6 months to close. We try to be as detailed as possible in explaining the process to make sure any client, especially those unfamiliar with commercial real estate, fully understand what to expect. Our clients have full visibility into our process and can track documents, conversations, spot key milestones at every phase of the project. Next, let's talk about broker engagement. A great broker will understand the market and how to identify sites from a car wash perspective. This industry is moving very fast, and great sites are hard to come by. Our network of brokers are aggressive and diligent in finding and presenting opportunities. They understand market nuances, key players, deal history, and local trends. Additionally, the brokers we work with are expected to meet or exceed all the commitments they make to our clients, and they're expected to execute deals quickly, efficiently, and with the best terms and conditions possible. When we meet with a broker, our team provides the broker with a site sourcing guide detailing the important site requirements. The process is well structured. We have a call to discuss site characteristics and the market and confirm the action plan and timeline. Brokers submit sites into a real estate smart sheet specifically designed by Wash Equity Advisors. This streamlines the process and ensures all necessary information is captured and organized in one place for evaluation and informed decision making. The Smartsheet platform helps update and involve all parties associated with this transaction. Once the basic site information is added to the Smartsheet, Wash Equity Advisors is notified automatically and proceeds to evaluate all the opportunities in the tracker. After the sites are vetted and graded, they are sent to the clients for review. Any sites with good grades are automatically sent to Sonny's Car Wash consulting team for a pro forma. The pro formas are then reviewed by the client, Wash Equity Advisors, and the Washgate team. Brokers then determine the best site or sites to target. A successful car wash site has many characteristics. We take into account many factors. It's important to not only focus on identifying promising investment opportunities, but also to identify potential risks and challenges that could kill a deal. This helps our clients avoid wasting time and resources in deals that are unlikely to succeed. Also, you need to consider water quality and access to utilities, specifically power. There may be a situation where a site is limited by a certain number of amps. Other times, the electrical company may be able to offer more power to a site. Environmental impact should also be top of mind if trying to convert an old gas site and the costs associated to remedy the land and get it in compliance to work for a car wash. Lastly, each municipality is different. They may be hostile to the car wash concept or only approve a select number of car wash sites for investors to move in on. Our process was designed carefully for accuracy, speed, and risk minimization. This process was designed to serve car wash investors in helping them achieve their goals. The process is overseen by a world-class team that allows clients to make informed decisions with confidence. My hope is that this video has provided you a good understanding of our workflow, why working with us is beneficial, and how we help our clients navigate the tricky waters of commercial car wash real estate. Thanks for watching.